This is the Browning M2.50 caliber, the gun that shaped modern warfare. Introduced more than a century ago, it became one of the most powerful and reliable machine guns in history. Firing up to 600 rounds per minute, the M2 delivers massive .50 caliber force, capable of destroying vehicles and dominating the battlefield. Designed in 1918 by John Moses Browning, its engineering was so advanced that the design has barely changed in over 100 years. Heat, snow, dust, mud, the M2 keeps firing when everything else fails. From Vietnam to Iraq and Afghanistan, this weapon has protected soldiers in every major conflict. Known as Deuce, the Browning M2 is more than a machine gun. It is a legend that continues to shape the battlefield.